High-stakes parking lot collision. Lifted Chevy crushes $340,000 Lamborghini. A bizarre and costly collision in a Florida parking lot has captured international attention, highlighting a growing tension between automotive trends and road safety. A heavily modified, lifted Chevrolet pickup truck collided with a $340,000 Lamborghini Huracan, effectively mounting the supercar and pinning it beneath the truck's chassis. The incident at Crunch Fitness. The accident occurred in the parking lot of a Crunch Fitness location in Florida. According to witness reports and video footage, the driver of the lifted Chevy was navigating the lot when she struck a black Lamborghini Huracan owned by entrepreneur Ramon Ferrer. The physical mismatch between the two vehicles made the collision particularly devastating. The Lamborghini, a low-slung, aerodynamic Italian supercar designed to sit inches off the ground. The Chevy, a massive lifted pickup truck with significantly increased ground clearance. The driver of the Chevy reportedly did not realize the extent of the impact until she exited her high-seated vehicle, only to find the supercar trapped under her tires. For Ferrer, who was simply searching for a parking space, the experience was described as seeing a condo complex descend upon his vehicle. Safety concerns and the lifted truck debate. While the financial loss is staggering, the incident has reignited a long-standing debate regarding the safety implications of lifted vehicle modifications. Beyond the immediate cause of the accident, which appeared to involve excessive speed for a parking lot environment, the collision underscores two major structural issues inherent in lifted trucks: extreme blind spots. The elevated seating position of a lifted truck creates significant dead zones directly in front of and around the vehicle, making it difficult for drivers to see low-profile objects or pedestrians. Vehicle geometry mismatch. As seen in this case, the height of a lifted truck makes it uniquely dangerous to low-clearance vehicles, which can be easily driven over or crushed because they are essentially invisible to the truck driver. This incident serves as a practical example of why many safety advocates and urban planners express concern over the proliferation of oversized, modified vehicles in shared spaces like parking lots. A lesson in perspective: despite the destruction of the Huracan, no serious injuries were reported. Ramon Ferrer, posting to Instagram after the event, maintained a remarkably composed stance. "Today I was born again. Thank you God for another day and another chance. Material things don't matter to me, my health is the main thing." While the supercar will require extensive repairs, Ferrer's reaction emphasizes a focus on personal safety over material loss. Conclusion: this collision is a stark reminder of how vehicle design and driver modification can lead to catastrophic outcomes in even the most mundane settings. It highlights the urgent need for continued dialogue regarding the safety standards and visibility risks associated with heavily modified vehicles.